Hello, I'm Leonard, and I have been acting for 20 years. I'm currently 18 this year, so I've been acting in my mother's womb.
And are you in the union?
Yes, I am. I've been in the union for like 8 years.
I'm currently a rider for Pizza Hut and sometimes KFC, sometimes McDonald's or whichever one me because I'm not that fast. I'm scared of speeding.
Do you have any experience in motion pictures?
Motion, I got a lot of experience in the motion picture. I work at the cafe. I sell popcorn, and another thing is I always went the video at the Video Easy, the one the Hot Girls, cause the National Library don't have yeah.
Are you willing to cut your hair for the film?
Hair okay lah, like a bit emo, so the hair like my skin, but I going NS soon, so what to do? I think I can cut my hair.
Can you see without your glasses?
Glasses, of course I can see. No problem, can see. But a bit not HD. But yeah, I can still make got colors. Yeah, I can.
Do you have contacts?
Contacts? Yeah, I got contacts, but sometimes I wear the contacts play futsal, but I cannot really get the ball in the goal. Boss, can I wear my glasses? Cause a bit getting Panadol.
Sure, please.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Okay, that's much better.
Are you willing to show your butt crack? Butt in the film?
But always people tell me my butt is very nice, but my mother don't let. But I think now I older can. She say haram, but now I am an adult, so I can do.
Congrats! You got the role.
Thank you, boss.
Hope to work with you soon.